Hindi naman sinabi alas 10 lang kayo. Para kanina pa kayo natuloy-tuloy. Late na nga kayo, alas 10 pa kayo uwi.
Okay lang.
Ilan pa lang
kami.
I mentioned food.
Sayang man. May ano pa naman eh. Matatapos, 7 minutes. Tapos na.
Hello. Wait, tell coach, if he can shift to Saturday afternoon. No?
Hindi na ka daw. Practice.
Pagong na na.
Next time lang.
Sure ka ha? Hindi mo kasi sinabi eh. Para kanina sana kayo tuloy-tuloy.
Okay lang, oy. Pwede lang magbabawi sa inyo.
Sige, sa'yo po mo eh. Para sunod ang kapit mo ha.
Para mag-king of the world yun.
Hindi, kay si Ate Juna, mangguningon siya, karoon na siya ngayon lang siya lalaro.
Oy, Melody, don't do that na.
I already know. Dad, ayaw na kayo.
Abigail, don't teach that na. Maybe she will forget which one to remove. She will. What is this?
Tara.
Tell me if you done. No, I will not be. Are you sure you remove the? Wait, it's the same. Nothing changed. Okay. Oh.
Right.
Mic is clean.
Ay, yun.
Ay, naku. Hindi ko alam. How to be queuing. Inside. Ay, tapos na.
Yeah.
Bakit?
Ano na yan yung 30 na lang kasi yung tinapos yung game nyo.
Next time, we will come.
Next time, you will come 7 ha?
Next time,
Na-traffic kasi ako.
Oh, yeah.
Traffic.
At yun na ba you live?
Same, no? Same pa rin din? Doon pa rin?
Okay,
Ah.
yeah.
Yeah, I miss to go there na.
Yeah.
Come, let's karaoke.
No, manggod kayo.
Karaoke.
Wa,
Birthday, your next birthday again. Ha?
giagian man gud na, giagian ako niya, wa ko nagsakyan kay dito daw ang parking.
Oh. Hindi, kuha mo ng parking dito, free.
Adi niya na po gyud.
Ate, free mo ng parking dito.
Free parking down.
Dinaanan ko niya kasi ako eh.
Oh. How? Will you park outside?
Ha?
Disiplin may sasakyan naman eh.
Tagasa di ka?
Free gara.
Ay sus.
Sabi ko
Pwede
nga,
naman ka mag-metro ra, magkapit naman jug ka, na traffic na yun.
Hindi ako makakalaro siya. Saan ba yan ko kasi?
Oo, pwede mo ka. I-ano mo na lang siya sa group, i-add mo na lang siya. Pwede ka man maka-add.
salamat ha,
Ay,
abi.
thank you po. Kunin mo na to kasi chat mo na yung laro niyo.
Salamat po.
Pambili nyo na lang yan ng shuttle sa site. Thank you. Kuya, maglaro kasi diha kay inig October po na tournament para sa mga mix.
Yeah, mixed doubles. We will have a mixed double with the strong and
So, wala man good may wala kay may men's mo na mag-mix na lang after sa
Mekus.
doubles.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you, Ate Jonah.
Ines.
Thank you, Tiha. Laro ka ulit, ha?
Nice meeting you ha.
Thank you. Mike.
Pero to, talaga paglalaro.
Oo.
Dito lang naman.
Laro ka lagi, ha? Everyone's dito.
Bye.
Sige, boy.
po. Salamat. Salamat. So who's next? Come on now, why are you so slow today?
Oh my God.
Melody, she's slow today, right?
She's still playing, no?
Tell me honestly. Who? Abigail, tell her now. It's your turn.
Yeah, you're not supporting me.
Okay.
Kill ka ngayon.
Don't come with me, ha? Don't come with me.
No, you're supporting us.
Ah, see?
Diba, teka, sakyanan din.
Hoop. Ay. Hoop. Go, Shirley. Okay. You lost control. Po.
Next available court, Maddie, Pinky, Denden, Mary.
Always.
What Denden? Next available court, Michelle, Joy, Alex, EJ.
And then you played 4, but she right on you.
No, I didn't.
Just confirming.
Ano ka, te? Nadapa ka? Rocket mo? Sino nakatama? Ikaw lang din. Ah. Tama naman ng rocket.
Next available court.
Kaya nga eh. Ano
Maddie,
naman yung rocket?
Pinky, Denden, Mary. Denden. This is the one. The famous player.
Day ka doon ka, today. The famous player on the court daw, Denden.
Because that's why we name our group Next on Court. So next time it will be Next on Court, Denden.
Ah, we should call you next on court.
Yeah, you should call
Next
that.
available court.
Yes,
Ah.
you should call that. I don't know when you will learn that.
Next on court, Maddie, Pinky, Denden, Mary.
Oo, sige, salamat po. Thank you.
Ngayon pa ako na-briefing ng boss ko, dapat pala next on court.
Yes, that's our slogan, Next on Court.
Kaya nga eh, ngayon pa ako na-briefing ko. Sabi niya, kaya nga di ba yun yung, hindi
that's
pala
why
next
our-
available court.
So you should be next on Court.
Next on net.
Yeah, magaling lang siya sa ganyan.
What net? Real chat, eh?
Next on net.
Magaling lang siya sa mga ganyan, pero pag magtatawag na, no?
Kaya nga eh, doon tayo na lulugi eh.
Whoop. Asia. Tang. 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 Sayang. Whoop.
Sino te? Ay, naglalaro sa ano no, sa Tuesday? Ah, Wisdom Marshall, asa na ba yun ngayon? Bakit? Sinong ano doon? Yung... Ay. Parang may hugot yun ah. Nyet. Magaling pa ito magpatawa sa Timadi.
This is Amir, right? He played already this game.
No, aabig ko this. No, it's not okay.
This will be.
No, this one next, no? Then this
Then?
one. Then this one.
You are not playing here, right?
Ay, ito po.
See, this is Christian game.
So you're practicing na?
Yeah, I'm practicing also.
With yourself?
Yeah, I'm just practicing my training, but it didn't come through. I don't know what I learned in training.
Bakit di marunong? Di ka marunong, te? Galing mo,
I have a
galing mo
spray.
magdadrop tapos hindi ka marunong?
Kaya sabi din Mark,
I have a spray at the meter.
kailangan nakaganyan.
Oh, yung na parang nakagilid talaga. Ayan, yan. Oh.
Aywa.
I don't know how to.
Oh, Ate Madi, super expert. You know, another
Basta
thing.
nakaharap sa'yo or naka-ano.
No, make
Eh,
your
ganun mo
racket
pati.
inside.
Oh. Parang ihiga mo pa sa konti.
I have to do also so that.
Oh. Higa mo pa,
No, no,
yan.
inside.
May tamang ano yan eh. May tamang
Position.
yung
No,
hand.
Even not position. See, if you will do, see, this is inside. See, inside, no? Inside. Like.
Someone.
See, inside. Yeah, you can do that also, but if you do inside, it will come for sure. Aywa. Like inside. Yeah, you can try.
Court, Maddie, Pinky, Denden, Mary.
Then
Court 1.
move quickly. Aywa.
Hindi muna sa taas pa lang kasi
Yes. Or you first like
Si Ashwin nun, at sige nalagpuan. Ashwin! Take,
Mag-like this.
cover ko ba?
yung konting galaw.
Wag na, Marta.
like that. If you move smoothly, see how smooth, see
Ha?
smooth. Okay, shuttle.
Oh.
No, the another one.
Where's the second hole?
Though there is no second.
Oh, take this one. Kaya daw gato dong.
Sila na po.
Isa score ninyo? 6! Ah, kuya mo, masata sa 6, uy.
Just scratch. See? If it like that. Like that. Just scratch and pull. See? That's smooth. Scratch like. Once you go up, fast.
Sis, stay.
Yes.
Court, Michelle,
you will
Joy, Alex, E, EJ.
Training, next time training.
Yeah. Next time, training. Sino?
Kayo ni, Joy.